Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change Roblox about me text. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to change your Roblox about me. Open Roblox and make sure to sign into your Roblox account. Once done, click on your username at the top right and you will directly jump into your Roblox profile page. Here, make sure to select About tab and under About, you will get your About. Now, to change your About, just click on this edit icon and that's it. Here you can easily change your About text. And note one thing, that do not share personal details in this About section. And you'll be able to write here maximum thousands later. Once done, just click on save and that's it. This is how we can easily change our About for Roblox. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.